Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech. In today's related to the Jio-Fi Wi-Fi speed test and the download test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus Oneplus Nord 2 device. So this is a Jio-Fi hotspot device which I'm trying to use during this process of demonstration, and this is my first time doing this kind of testing side by side comparing between both phones. So first let me just show you exactly the Wi-Fi settings. So as you can see friends, this is the exact device which I did connect right now in both phones with the same Wi-Fi network, as you can see friends. So let's see which phone will be having the what kind of download speeds and the speed test. So that is what I'm going to exactly compare in this video. So this is the application which I'll try to download at same time in both phones. So let me download at same time. So this is a Realme X1 Max and this is a OnePlus Nord 2. You'll be able to see the difference side by side. And now on the top of the notification panel, you'll be able to see the speeds as well. So what kind of speeds we are getting at this moment using the Jio-Fi hotspot device. So let's see which phone will be able to finish this application faster. So this is very small MB only, it's only 30 MB, so it should not take much time in terms of finishing the downloads. So right now the Realme X1 Max did finish the download faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 device, as you can see, just a little bit faster, not much, as you can see friends clearly. So now let's move to the next test, which is a speed test. Let's see speed test, how much difference we can actually expect between both phones in terms of the speed test. So 1, 2, 3. So at the same time I'm trying to start the test to get the results, how it will be there. And right now as you can see the results which we're getting, and you can concentrate on the ping value and jitter speed as well. As you can see 11 milliseconds, ping value 26 milliseconds and 33 milliseconds. As you can see 14.47 and 11 Mbps speeds. So slightly the Realme X1 Max did get the high speeds when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2. You can clearly see friends the difference in terms of the upload speeds as well. So this is a test which I'm trying to do at same time. So if you try to do the individual test, the individual speeds will be completely different. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. So now let me do the individual test. So let's see individual. I'll try to start in the Realme X1 Max at this moment. So this is a Realme X1 Max individual test. And individual, the Realme X1 Max was able to get the speeds up to 26-25 Mbps of speeds. As you can see, using the Jio-Fi hotspot, 25 I'm getting in this phone. As you can see friends, 25.45 in the Realme X1 Max device. And upload speeds are close to 9 Mbps of speeds we're getting in the upload speeds. And let's see in the OnePlus Nord 2, what will be the speeds in the OnePlus Nord 2 connecting to the Jio-Fi hotspot device. So 1, 2, 3. So in the OnePlus Nord 2, we are getting speeds of close to 21, 22. So slightly less speeds than the Realme X1 Max, as you can see friends clearly. So this is a test which I'm trying to do connecting to the Jio-Fi hotspot only. So during this process of demonstration, only this Jio-Fi hotspot. So these are the quick results which we got. I'll try to do them one more time as well. So then you will be able to understand what is happening between both phones. So let's do in the Realme X1 Max again. Let's see what happens this time. Can it score more or not? So right now as you can see the Realme X1 Max straight away it's going close to 26 Mbps of speed straight away. As you can see the high speeds without any much problem. But the OnePlus Nord 2, it was able to get close to 21 and 20 kind of range in terms of the speeds. So now I'll try to do the again. So once the upload speed finished, then I'll put it down. I'll start the download as well in the OnePlus Nord 2. So yes, the download now it started. So now let's see what happens this time, second time. So now it was able to get the speeds slightly close to Realme X1 Max, but not more than Realme X1 Max. But finally it was able to settle kind of close to 23. Let's see whether this will come close to 25 or not. No, 23.2. And these are the speed test comparison trends between both phones. If you try to look at the top 3 results, so only look at the top 3 results only, comparing both devices. As you can see, so the Realme X1 Max was able to get the most of the Wi-Fi out of this Jio-Fi hotspot when compared with the OnePlus Nord 2 in the download test and in the speed test comparisons as well. You can clearly see the difference, how it is. So on the top 3 results only friends, don't try to check anything, only top 3 results. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a test using the Jio-Fi hotspot device. And in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off, bye.